going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And say, man, I know I'm not the only one, but I'm pretty sure at some point you had one of them days at work that you just felt like everybody in the building needed one of these.
Larry, what the hell are you doing?
Larry!
Larry, you can't just... Oh,
Larry! Oh, are you all right? How did...
Larry!
Because, you know, at some point, everybody needs to have some BNS.
Yeah, what do BNS stand for with you, bitch that needs some slapping?
But though you feel that way, you cannot do it. You want to, but you can't. So today's video, man, we're going to do something a little simple, a little easy install. Not really what I plan to do, but I'm just, you know, I needed to do something a little easier that's not going to frustrate me too much. So we're going to do a little light install today. All right, y'all. Yeah, man. So like I was saying, I'm going to do a little easy install right now. Just something a little simple because for the most part, man, I just want to run my mouth, y'all. So let me set everything up here. So basically, what I got here is I got some carbon fiber overlays to put that actually one of them goes right here on this little portion of the door, and the other part goes right here along the hold on, let me show you, right here on the mirror. So it's gonna go right here, so it's like this right here. It's gonna go on the mirrors on both sides, so I'm gonna try this side and see what it looks like. So like I say, I'm gonna try not to run my mouth too much for y'all, man. I'm sure y'all know how to do overlays. I pretty much showed y'all before how to do these. But like I say, I'm just adding a little stuff to the car, like just trying to make everything connect. So like I said, man, you know, you have those difficult days at work, you know, we all have 9 to 5s, and you know, stuff happens. You have your good days and your bad days. But today, and I feel like I'm gonna share with y'all, man. Y'all my peoples, we peoples. Yeah, how? So before I get into that, but so basically what I'm using here, because I use like soap and water on my overlays on the headlights, and I think it kind of ruined it. It ruined them a little bit because they kind of fading a little bit. I really don't like how they look. I might redo it and get some new ones. But I'm gonna use this here quick detailer spray. So just gonna spray a little bit on the area. There we go. And then from there, we're gonna peel the overlay off of there. And then we're gonna try and slide this bad boy on here. See if we can line this thing up just right. Let's see here. It should still move a little bit. Got my little squeegee here to get out all of the liquid out of there. Squeegee this down. This shit's not really too hard of an install to do, man. You guys can do this. Don't be afraid to try it. Basically, it's just water. If you keep it wet enough, you should be able to pull this on and off. But right now, I'm just trying to get all of the water out of there. All of the liquid out of there so that this thing can cure on here. So not too hard of an install, y'all. Not that bad. And it looks good, and look at it, even matches with this, man. That's what I was worried about. It matches. Yes. So this is good. A good little thing to add. Now the main hardest part is getting all the liquid out of there. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna spray this down and then see if we can line this up on here. So far it doesn't look as if I'm going to need the heat gun. So hopefully I will not. I believe this one is the bottom one here. Let's see. So I'm gonna start from this end. I think that'll be my best bet. So let's start here. And then we gotta kind of try and work this thing around this little angle right here. Looks like I may have spoke too soon on needing the heat gun. I said, well, I tried to get away without using the heat gun, but unsuccessful. It's a fail. But all you need is a little bit of heat to get it around this curve. The way it'll make the material a little bit more flexible. The way that you can kind of hit this corner and be good to go. As always, man, I link everything in the description, so y'all ain't got to worry about that. I'll do my best to make sure I can. If y'all interested in getting this stuff, you can. And do know that your boy is not sponsored by anybody. If it seems like a good product, if it's good, I'm gonna tell you it's good. If it's not good, then I'm gonna let you know this sucks. But this is good. It's good quality, and it's actually form fitted really good. It goes around it really well. All right, y'all. So this is the last little area. Like I said, I ordered these little overlays. These sticker fab overlays. And when I ordered them, I thought when I ordered this one specifically, that it would come with the top and the bottom, because it actually goes here, and then the rest of it would go up here. So I had to order this top section separately, so that's coming whenever it does come. We'll throw that on. I'll just throw it in with another video or something like that. Or hell, maybe I'll just add it to this one. Maybe it'll come before I'm ready to edit this video out. So hopefully. But so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on there. I already washed the car and cleaned it up, so I'm gonna spray a little bit of that detail and spray right there, which seems to be working out pretty well. I like it. So we're gonna spray that on here. I'm gonna put this other overlay on here, and then not hard to do. It's a little tedious, but it ain't that bad. Brace.
And on the radio, you gravitate to songs about love, mystified by the illusion of what it never was. Use the music just to soothe, and now it's time to grow up. All the excuses try to tell you that you weren't enough.
Little accents just to try and make the car come together. I really like how that looks. It's the right color, carbon fiber. It really mixes in good with that gray. Well, everybody, it looked like I didn't have to wait too long. Because the other part came. Yay. So we can go ahead and throw this thing on here right now. So I'm basically going to follow the same few steps that I did before. So this time I'm going to make sure I add heat right away. So heat is a requirement. Just to make it adheres better, because then I'm spraying with something liquid, and then to make it conform like it should, you got to put some heat to it. So I'm just spraying this here. I tried soap and water before. They didn't work out too good for me, so this is what I'm doing now. So we're gonna peel this off, and I'm gonna line it up with the bottom.
We can always say here. Turn off the clocks in your mind. We all make it the time. Turn off the
All right. All we're doing now is getting all the air pockets out, letting it cure. We are good to go. So that's it, man. All right, y'all, man. So, like I say, it's just an overlay, simple video. I mean, it was a simple install. I mean, for the most part, it's good to have a heat gun when you're doing it. And then me putting that on the car is just, I want to, like I say, I'm gonna document my entire journey with the car. So no matter if it's the littlest thing I'm putting on the car, I'm gonna put it on there so y'all can see how it looks and y'all can see me install the stuff. And the most part, my main reason for doing these sort of videos, man, is so that you guys know that you can do it yourself, man. Just try it. If you mess up, you can just do it over, man, and learn from it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, why pay all the money you could use paying somebody else to install your stuff? That could be more parts you could buy. So some things are pretty hard, and like most the really hard stuff, which is gonna be coming here pretty soon, I'm gonna try and walk y'all through my entire process. If I have any hardships, like always, man, I'm gonna let y'all know. If I mess up, man, I just mess up, bruh. That's all a part of DIY, man. So, hey, I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. Like I said, it was simple install, nice little touches to the car to kind of help bring the entire car together. I got some other stuff coming up, man, that I'm trying to make a decision if I'm gonna spend the amount of money I'm about to spend on a section of the car. As I get close to doing it, man, I'll let you guys know, but maybe y'all can guess what I'm thinking I'm gonna be doing and throw it in the comments. You know, I'll give you a hint. It's lighting. We'll say lighting. So throw it in the comments. Let me know what y'all think I'm gonna get. But until the next video, man, like I always say, man, I appreciate all my subscribers, man. Thank y'all so much for supporting your boy. All I need now is for everybody that's not subscribed, that you are watching the videos, man. Hey, man, subscribe to your boy, man. Show me some support. I mean, it helps the channel out a lot. And it tells the algorithm, like, hey, man, we need to put this boy videos out there a little bit more because people are enjoying what he's doing. So, man, hey, appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for taking the time out to watch. If you comment, I will talk back, man, because that's the least I could do. And plus, I like talking to everybody, man, because I appreciate y'all comments and y'all's input, man. And I do take all that stuff into consideration. So, as always, man, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and your boy will see you on the next video. Peace.